Hey lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across this channel, please like and subscribe to this channel to get more tutorial videos. So today we're making this beautiful kimono Ankara outfit, as you can see on your screen. So guys, please permit me, as at the time recording this video I was actually down with a little bit of cough, so please permit me if it's not really audible. So what I'm trying to do here is try to fold my Ankara piece. I have 2 yards of Ankara piece here, as you can see, so I'm just going to fold it into 4 pieces. So first things first, we'll take our shoulder measurements. Remember, this is a cut together sleeve. So then first of all, I'll take my shoulder measurement, which is 7, as you can see me do here. And then I'll go ahead to extend the line by my sleeve length. So my shoulder measurement is 7, and together with my sleeve length I have 12 inches. So this is where I'm just marking it at that 12 inches there. So after then, I'll go ahead to take my shoulder to bust measurement. My shoulder to bust measurement is actually 11, but because this is a free jacket, I'm going to go down by 1 inch. So instead of 11, I'll be using 12, as you can see me do. I'll be using 12 and then go ahead to mark it out. So from my shoulder to bust, I've already marked it out, and so from this particular point, I'll go ahead to take my bust measurement, my round bust measurement. And then my round bust measurement is actually 40. I'll be using 40 for this bust measurement. So 40 divided by 4 is 10, and then I'll just go ahead to add about 3 inches or 2 inches, depends on how free you want it to be. So for me, I just added extra 2.5 inches there, and then I go ahead to mark. So after marking it out, just as you see me do here, I'll just go ahead to trace it out for you guys to see, and then go ahead to make a slant curve, just as you see me do there, in order to connect to the sleeve. Just as you see me do, just follow accordingly and you will get it. And so then whatever I have on this bust point here, I'll go ahead to mark it down from my bust down to the length of my jacket. So right now I'm taking the length of my kimono, which is actually 39, but I'll go down by 41. Because the 2 inches I'm leaving at the down is actually the one I'll use to turn it into the wrong side of the fabric. And so then after doing that, I'll just go ahead to connect the line from the bust point to the length of the kimono, just as you see me do here. So after doing that, I'll be going ahead to take my round neck measurement. I'll use 3 for the width of the neck, just as you see me do here. I'll mark out 3 for the width of the neck. And then for the neck depth, I'll be using 1 inch. So after doing that, I'll move on to the shoulder and then come down by 1 inch, just as we usually do for your slant shoulder. Sorry guys, so my camera was not actually capturing that part, but just go down by 1 inch, just as we do, and then connect it to meet the neck. So after taking appropriate measurement, I'll just go ahead to cut. So this particular one we just cut is for the back piece. Then I'll go ahead and just remove one piece from inside and then go ahead to cut out the front piece. So what we're going to do here is just to connect our neckline to meet the bust point there, as you can see. So just take your ruler and then make a very straight line to meet the bust points from your neck, and then you go ahead to cut. So after making that V neckline there, I'll just go ahead to use my scissors to cut the middle part of the front piece, just as you see me do here. So I'll just go ahead to arrange it properly and then take my scissors to spread open the front piece, just as you see me do now. So just go ahead to cut it open like this. This is for the front piece, remember. So for the back piece, we're just going to leave it like that. So after cutting, this is what it looks like, guys. This is the front piece, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead to bring the back piece so that you guys can see as well. So this is our back piece, just looking very plain and simple. And so what I'll do now is just to place my back piece on the table, just as you see, and then place the front piece on top, both the two sides, as you can see me do. So after doing that, just arranging it properly. After doing that, I'll go ahead to join the shoulders on both sides. So just go ahead to join the shoulders on both sides. So I've gone ahead to join the shoulders, and then this is what we have. So what I'll do next is just to take the sleeve part area and then fold it with half an inch by half an inch, just as you see me do here. Just fold it in by half an inch. So after doing that, I'll come back to show you what it looks like. So guys, I've already gone ahead to fold my sleeve round hole, as you can see. We're going ahead to fold it. So after doing that, I'll just arrange properly and then go ahead to stitch down from the sleeve part to the length of the kimono. So this is how it's looking at the moment. So I'll just go ahead to make a very straight stitch of 1 inch from that particular place that I just marked out on both sides. So just make a straight stitch down to the length. So after doing that, this is what we have. So before opening it to the front side, I'll just go ahead to notch my sleeve area in order to make it relax when I open. So this is what we have, guys. So guys, the reason I notched that area is just to make it relax like this. Just you can see, I haven't actually ironed it, but it's just looking very relaxed because I actually notched that area there. So it helps to make it relax. So I'll go ahead to take the round measurement of the slit on the front, just as you see me do. So after doing that, I'll go ahead to cut 4 inch of a very long strip. So this is going to be what we'll use to attach to that front piece there, as you can see on your screen. So just go ahead to cut out 4 inch of a very long fabric. So I cut out 4 inch, then go ahead to fold it into 2 and then sew it around the front slit, as you can see me do. So I've gone ahead to sew it, and this is what it looks like already. It's looking very beautiful. And I've also gone ahead to fold in that 2 inches I left at the down part in to the wrong part of the fabric. So this is what it looks like now. I'll take it to my mannequin and come back to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is how it looks like. You can actually style it in 2 ways, just as you see on the screen. So see you guys on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you learned something. Bye.